All right, we're doing a chili, garlic and ginger sauce, which is particularly good with a dish I'm going to cook, Hainanese Chicken Rice. It's also good as a dipping sauce for a number of other Asian dishes, and as a general chili sauce. It's quite good. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to do this with a hand blender. Onto that end I've got a beer glass down which the hand blender head fits, and that'll make it all very easy to blend down. I've got a thumb-sized piece of ginger which I've chopped up into fine pieces. That goes in there, and I've got 2 or 3 spur chilies, which I've got there, nice Egyptian ones. You can go for uber hot bird chilies, which would probably be more authentic for Thai food, but what I do with these, I just top tail them and get them chopped up into pieces like that and get them in the glass. Likewise with the garlic, I've got about 5 cloves of garlic there. I've got the juice of 1 small lime, depending where you are in the world. You can use calamansi as well, which is also very good. And whenever I make a chili sauce, I always try to add some sugar to it. So I've got a teaspoon of sugar right there. Right, in this little bowl I've got the salty element. So we've got sour, sweet, salty, along with all these excellent flavours. So in there I've got 2 teaspoons each of, this is a Golden Mountain soy sauce, soy-based sauce, and this one is a Thai fish sauce. So I've got 2 teaspoons each of those. They provide the salty element and some background umami flavour for us. So I'm going to get that all into my little glass. And the next thing I want to do is get in my blender stick and blend that down. I'll spare you the noise. So what we have now is some nicely blended up chili sauce. I'm just going to give that a little taste now. That's nice. It's still quite hot, very tasty, and it's got that lovely sweet, sour and salty element to it. Really nice dipping sauce that. If you're going to keep it for any length of time, say you make more of it, you're going to keep it for any length of time, it's probably better that you heat it up to boiling point and then cool it down to 80 degrees Celsius before you bottle it. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.